Well, folks, the force has arrived. I normally do not do unboxings on this channel, but I just decided to, try it for the very first time. Generally, I do unbox. You can see this is the carton to my address. A big shout out to Tanchjim for sending this out. This is actually the first time I'm actually unboxing a product on this channel. In all the years I've been running it, I generally tend to check out the products before I talk about what's in the packaging. So when you take out the force box, you get something like this. It actually looks really, really nice. It's just arrived right now. I just came in, I picked it up. You can see. So this is the Asano Tanch flyer and all that. So this stays here. This is the box. You can clearly see the force. I think your receipts and your warranty card and everything is in here. So this goes back in here, and I'm gonna keep it separate. You can stay here. So this is the force, guys. You can see how it looks like. It looks quite elegant. It looks very nice. It's absolutely gorgeous in its look. This is me bringing it out. Apologies, guys. My cat is running riot on my chairs. You can see this. This is the force. I'm going to take it out when I go in for the immediate review. You can see the force. It looks awesome. It looks gorgeous. It looks very nice. I've not even tested it. You can see the pressure relief ear tips. These are very nice custom. Actually, I've tested these ear tips, guys, from the origin. I'll give you guys my own thoughts on this particular ear tips. I'm in love with these ear tips. Actually, they're very good, especially the base model. This is for the bass. This is the bass one. I think this is the treble one inside of here. So this is the force. Let me put it back in its packaging, and then let me keep it up here, and then let's look at the accessories. So people that don't have the origin won't really know this, but the Tanchjim Force has the same case as the origin. I already have this case in the bedroom. I've done the review on I didn't do the unboxing, but it has the same case. This is literally bend down the camera, dear. So it's actually the same thing as the origin. So this is the case. It's not new to me. I already have this. So this is the effect audio collaboration cable. You can see all the connectors. Type C connector, the balance 4.4 millimeter connector, and the 3.5 millimeter connector. Everything is in here. And then the cable, from what I can tell, it's quality, but not really anything mind-blowing. At least right now, I'll have to go in and extensively test what this cable has the ability to offer me in sound. But I will say this: if I end up testing this set and I'm not that impressed by the performance with the force, I might eventually take this cable and use it for the origin, because the origin is already my favorite music set. So this cable will come in handy even if the force disappoints. But I will give the force a lot of time to showcase what it can do. So that all in all, this is all you get. There's nothing much. And I heard that there's this mouse pad that they add up with the earphones once you buy it. So maybe you'll be very, very patient for that. I think they will ship that out separately to buyers. So I didn't get this because there's a review unit. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us here. I'll see you guys very much next time.